3-minute flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Bowling, a game enjoyed by millions around the world, has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Join us as we explore the fascinating evolution of this beloved sport, from its humble beginnings to the modern-day alleys. Today, we're delving into the history of bowling, a pastime that has evolved over centuries. Our journey begins in ancient times. Believe it or not, bowling can trace its origins back to ancient Egypt, around 5,000 years ago. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of a game similar to bowling, played with stones and pins. It was likely a form of religious ritual, with the pins representing spiritual figures. Fast forward to medieval Europe, and bowling took on a new form known as nine pins. It was a popular pastime, enjoyed by people of all social classes. But there was a catch: nine pins was often associated with gambling and drinking, leading authorities to ban it in certain regions. When European settlers arrived in America, they brought nine pins with them. However, the game faced further scrutiny due to its association with gambling. In response, authorities in several states outlawed nine pins, leading to the creation of 10-pin bowling as a workaround. By the 19th century, 10-pin bowling had become immensely popular in America, with standardized rules and equipment. The first indoor bowling alley opened in New York City in 1840, marking the beginning of the modern era of bowling. The 20th century saw bowling reach new heights of popularity, becoming a staple of American culture. Bowling alleys popped up across the country, attracting people of all ages for a fun night out with friends and family. In the latter half of the 20th century, technological advancements revolutionized the sport. Computerized scoring systems, synthetic lanes, and automated pin setters made bowling more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. Bowling also gained recognition as a competitive sport, with professional tournaments attracting top athletes from around the world. The Professional Bowlers Association was founded in 1958, paving the way for a new era of competitive bowling. Today, bowling continues to thrive as both a recreational activity and a competitive sport. With state-of-the-art facilities and a vibrant community of bowlers, it remains a beloved pastime for millions worldwide. And that concludes our journey through the history of bowling. We hope you enjoyed learning about the evolution of this timeless game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep rolling those strikes.
3-minute flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.